would say the last mile or so, you're definitely going to need high clearance, truck tires. Oh, this is actually nice. A little bit of wheeling going on here. Nothing you can't do in two-wheel drive. Another shortcut I just missed. Could have been. Which way you go. Got GPS. Tracks sure are pretty accurate. RV, the truck with a camper shell on back. I bet he's planning on spending the night there. There's a little driveway. Does look better. Alright, so this is the point of the point. I'd say it still looks real good. But you can see down here how little vegetation there is, or how fast it's growing. That's about 2 years worth. Just a little bit of water there, vacating its way back down that way, I believe. Still very pretty. So remember the early Keanu Reeves movie where he's skydiving over this lake with Patrick Swayze in like a 2.5, 3 minute free fall, which is unheard of still. But it was just such a cool background.